After we've done map of the park, we then carry on with our other requirements, and the next one is shop products. So it says on the shop and cafe page, you need a graphical link, so we know it needs to be a picture that shows one of the products on sale and links to an image showing a range of products available. Well, here's the range of products, so we know we need to edit that. So we can go on fireworks. Again, this may just take a few moments to load. And then we simply drag in that picture. And then we need to save as first of all so that we don't change the original picture. So we do save as, we go put it in my assets, and we can change it to product. And then you can basically just pick any product. So I could pick the pens. So all I'm going to do is use this tool. I'm going to take the price, you don't have to. Just check if that copied. Just move the layer down. And there's my pens there. I'm then going to just get rid of all the bits I don't need. Then might just look at my own colour scheme. So here's my picture of my pens. Here's my price for my pens. And I'm going to look at changing the canvas to be, if I have a look at the colour scheme I've been using. One of the easiest ways of looking at that would be to open my banner. And I might have this brown colour. So this brown colour, I think this one here. There we go, might just zoom in there and get rid of some of this. And then finally just to crop it down, so we've only got the pens. And we can save. And we'll save it as a fireworks. And then we're ready to close that down. So we can just do a quick check of my assets and make sure that that original one that looked like it saved as a JPEG, we get rid of it. So we've got product JPEG there, we don't want that one. We're checking that one's under 300 kilobits, which it is. We're then just going to check in icons in details that the shop is under 300 kilobits, which it is. And then we go back to here, so it tells us on the shop and cafe page, so we know we need to go to the shop and cafe page. So there's the shop and cafe page. So we need to put that graphical link in, so we insert our image. which is going to come from My Assets and be that product. We give it an alternate name of products. In goes the picture of the pens, and then we can click on the link and go put the rest of the products in. So shop and OK, and then that's linking that graphical object to our shop. If we save it, we can go and test it. And then we can see here, if we click on that, it links to the wider range of products. Remember, you can put some text in, so you may choose, I'm just going to split that cell there to 2 columns, and then add some text at the side, sort of explaining what the picture is. So, welcome to our shop and cafe page. The image at the side shows an example of one of the many products on sale. Click on the link to see our full range. And you've added some text as well. Final thing, don't forget to go and update your evaluation. So when we're updating our evaluation, I'm simply writing things like, on the shop and cafe page, I needed to add an image of one product to create a graphical link to the main products list. I chose to edit this original list to use the pens as my image because people like to buy pens as memorabilia just change that spelling, memorabilia of places they have been. I edited this to have the same background as my banner, and I also included that it was pens and the price. You can then go on to say how this suits the audience and the purpose for those extra marks. This suits the audience because the image is clear and easy to see. It suits the purpose of this page because you can clearly see an example of something available to buy in the shop with a link to a full product list. Don't forget to save your evaluation and you're ready to move on to the next video.